Thinking of diving into the housing market and maybe considering a recently renovated home? Today, we're exposing the top red flags of flipped homes. With 22 years of real estate experience, I've seen them all, and I'm here to help you avoid some of the costly mistakes. Let's jump right in. First off, what's a flipped home? A flipped home is a purchased property, quickly renovated, and resold for profit. While these homes can look absolutely brand new, there are often hidden issues. Let's break down the biggest red flags to watch for when you purchase one of those properties. One major issue I always see in a flipped home is cutting corners. Flippers aim to finish renovation quickly to maximize profit, which a lot of times can lead to poor workmanship, because in a rush to finish the property, they use maybe cheap materials. The quality of work doesn't meet the building codes. So look closely at the finishes and the material they're using. I also see many times very superficial fixes. Often flippers focus on cosmetic upgrades like new paint, new fixtures, while ignoring underlying issues such as plumbing and structural problems. Check beyond the surface. The quality of work is another big concern I see a lot of times. Here's why. Some flippers hire unlicensed or unexperienced contractors to save money. And all this is leading to improper installation and safety hazards. I see a lot of essential repairs which are skipped entirely, leaving you an unexpected cost after the closing. So you have to pay attention to the area like basement and attics where issues might be more apparent. Also, flipped homes can hide serious problems. Cosmetic updates can hide water damage, foundation problems, or electrical faults. Verify that all necessary permits were obtained and approved. Lastly, be cautious of inflated prices. Flippers need to make a profit, so a lot of times they might set higher prices compared to non-flipped properties. So always compare with the local market values. Now, let's talk about how to protect yourself. Make sure you hire a qualified inspector experienced with the flipped homes. Consider maybe get more than one inspection if needed. Maybe sewer inspection, mold inspection. Now ask for detailed records of the renovations and repairs, including permits, contractors' information. Maybe you want to check the local authorities to ensure that all the necessary permits were obtained. Maybe you want to research the company or individual who flipped the home. Very important, you need to work with a real estate agent experienced in flipped homes. Remember, while these homes can look enticing, it's essential to dig deeper to ensure you're making a sound investment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Have a great day.